You will learn how to get to another email in your Outlook inbox from this guy. Okay, so the first step is to open your web browser. So here I'll be using Microsoft Edge. As the Edge browser opens, visit outlook.com and log in. All right, look at outlook.com. I'll press enter key for me to be taken to my inbox. Okay, my Outlook account has opened and I am in the inbox section. All right, so I am a Microsoft 365 subscriber in this case. I'll look at this Copilot icon here. So that will help us to get to any part of the email we want to get faster because it's trained for this email. Okay, so I'll click on that icon. So here in the message section, I will say, take me to the first email I got in this account. And here it reads, take me to the first email in this inbox. So after typing the email you want to get to, the old email you want to get to, just click on this. All right, you may not structure the message the way I do. All right, you may be targeting a particular email. So once you structure it well, after that, click on this enter or next icon. Look at the feedback we have here. It says, I can't directly open or navigate your mailbox. Okay, mailbox UI for you, but I can identify the earliest first email in your inbox and point you to it precisely. Okay, and look at it here. So look at this subject, Godwin, welcome to Microsoft 365. And if I click on this, I'll be taken to that. And look at where we are and look at what the message they have for us. And that's the first email I have in this inbox and it's correct. So let's make another search on old email. So I'll click on this icon and here let me search something else again. So here it says, show emails I got from article Uzamai and so on. All right, the particular email address. So you can tell this Copilot tool to take you or show you some emails you got from a particular email address. It will filter it, even if it happened maybe 3 years ago, and give you the feedback. So let's search here. And you can see that it has come up with the answer to that. And look at the particular email here. All right. So if I click on that, it will open and it will show me the contents of the email. So Copilot makes things easy. So you can always use it to make your search and get to old emails faster. If this content helps, consider subscribing, hit the like button and leave a comment. Thank you and see you some other time.